Welcome to Then in a Tune.
Wake up early, stretch up high, open eyes and touch the sky. Brush your teeth till they shine, clean your tongue, it feels so fine. Wash your face and hands with care, comb your neat and tidy hair. Take a bath and scrub, dub dub, bubbles dancing in the tub. Wear clean clothes, button right, looking fresh and feeling bright. Eat your breakfast, don't be late, strong and happy, tip top tip. Pack your bag and go to school, listen well and follow rules. Read and write and learn each day, ask and answer, think and play. Share your toys and always care, use kind words and always share. Wash your hands before you eat, after play stay clean and neat. Run and jump and laugh and play, exercise every day. Help at home, be kind and good, do the things you know you should. Tidy up your room so nice, clean up time is super wise. Eat your dinner light and right, brush again before good night. Say thank you and please each day, respect elders in every way. Sleep on time, birds stay up late, dreams are waiting, feeling great. Clap your hands, hip hip hooray, good habits every single day.
Thank you so much for watching. Hit like, share it all around.